All right. So I'm going to be making coconut shrimp curry. I forgot to get peas and carrots, so should be fun. But yeah, those are ingredients that I like to use in that. It's not necessary, but I like to use it. But anyways, let me show you the other things I'm using. So I have this coconut milk. I feel like this is the best one I've used so far, and you can get it in like the international aisle at Walmart. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. And then I have shrimp. I bought this one because it was cheap. It was like $6. The other ones were like getting close to like $20, and I wasn't about to do that. So there's only 27 in here, so I'm not going to make like a huge amount of curry, but it should be able to like do a couple of days. Next up, tomato paste, because this is how I make like the curry paste. I'll show you how I make the curry paste in like a minute, but yeah, tomato paste is another thing you need. Next up, I'm using minced, chopped, or crushed garlic and ginger because I like the way those taste. I may also add like fresh ones, or just like use fresh ones altogether because, you know, I don't know. I'll make up my mind when I get there. Next up, you need onions. This one's looking a bit raggedy, but I'm pretty sure I have one that's already like cut in the fridge, so I'm probably just going to use that. Okay, because I don't have any veggies or peas and carrots, I'm just going to use bell peppers like in the curry. It's not going to make it too spicy, so it should be fine actually. I might just also double up on the amount of onions I use. Maybe not, we'll see. Yeah, last thing is rice, but then like I'm not trying to tell anybody what to eat their curry with, so but that's what I'm going to be eating my curry with because that's what I feel like is best paired with curry. Maybe like some kind of flatbread too would work, but I don't have any, so I'm using rice. But yeah, let's get to cooking.
Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone.
Cold-blooded, flood my whole heart with your loving. Find me in the thick of it, swimming towards something that I wanted for so long. Never even I needed you this much, but some part of me thinks you've given up on us. Let's call a spade, baby. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases.
This is my food. Look at her looking all cute and stuff. I'm about to eat. I smeared stuff because I already like put my spoon in, but I wanted to show you guys, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like if I put spoon. But anyways, you probably already seen the picture in the thumbnail or something, so there she is in all her glory. She's about to eat. She's about to get full on this food, okay? Yes.